So that's another thing you have to learn about life. Not everybody will believe in what you are doing, but you must believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Secondly, the cover design that you have seen was given to two people, one person in Pakistan and one person in Nigeria. And I want you to comment below who you think did the cover design, whether it was the Nigerian or the Pakistani. Now, both of them were being paid. Both of them were being paid for this. That's another lesson. If you want quality work, don't give it to just one person. Outsource to different people. Pay them for it. And the one that produces the best work, let that person be the one that you continue to work with. So I went on this platform, checked them out, watched videos from other authors who had done work with them, and I said, no, let me go with this. That's another lesson. When everybody is telling you that this is the best place to go, take the advice, but keep searching. You might find a better place. So now the book is going to be available in 195 countries and 240,000 outlets online and then physical places. For your eyes only, this is the cover of the book. This is it, Mastering the Game. This is the spine. This is the back of the book. These are the insides. And I'm opening the inside for you to see. Sometimes people say they have published the book and you only have the cover, there's no inside. That's right. Share the link, share the link. And there's the cover. So now, who do you think did this cover? Was it the designer from Pakistan or was it the designer from Nigeria? Well, the answer is the designer from Nigeria. As a matter of fact, the designer from Pakistan charged more. But if I show you his work, you probably vomit. It was disgusting. The Nigerian charged about half the price, but I decided to pay him as much as I paid the Pakistani because his work was so much better. So let's say, so that is the book cover, Mastering the Game, From Doubt to Dominance. The subtitle, From Doubt to Dominance. I put that there because Ronaldo was doubted from the beginning. And a lot of you are doubted by your teachers, by your parents, by your friends, by colleagues, at the workplace, by bosses. They don't believe in you. But Ronaldo, despite being doubted, he has risen to a place of dominance. And so I want you to also rise to the same place of dominance so that you can also succeed and make your family proud. One of the things the Bible says is that you must honor your mother and father. And my interpretation of that is live your life in such a way that your parents will be so proud of you. Even if they doubted you at the beginning, they'll be proud of what you've done. So bring honor to your family name. Some of you, people are making fun of your mother, people are making fun of your father because they are poor. Rise to a level and then elevate your parents so high that those people will bow their heads in shame. That's right. Bring honor to your parents.